Your search for year-round lakefront living ends today. Welcome to 448 Yoho Lake Road.
Oh my God, look at that catfish. The main living area has a ductless heat pump, deck access, and beautiful water views.
This level also has 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom with a walk-in tile shower.
The lower level offers a family room with a kitchenette, a potential bedroom, and another full bathroom with laundry.
And of course, we can't forget the walkout lower level offers even more spectacular water views.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 448 Yoho Lake Road,
visit frederictonhomes.com.